별 문제 없던데. 반대 방향으로.
수업 시간 시작하도록 하겠습니다. Okay, fourth graders, this is Happy English class. I'm going to tell you a story about my life. So, listen carefully. I went to a cafe to drink some hot chocolate. I didn't know it was so hot and I might got burned. If someone said, be careful or don't touch it, it's hot, it would be much more safe for me. Okay, class, what happened in my story? Unsu? Yes, I might have got burned. Jimin? Yes, if someone said be careful, it would be much more safer. Then, what do you think we're going to learn today? Listen, speak, warning, good job. This time, we're going to learn about how to say and comment, how to speak and listen, warning politely. Then, we're going to do 3 activities. First, we're going to guess about today's key expression. Second, we're going to listen and speak about today's key expression. And 3, we're going to do a role play. Now, let's move to the first activity. Here we go. The first activity is let's guess. Let's watch a video. What is this? This is Eunji, Minsu, Gin, and Suan. These are our classmates. Let's watch it. First, Eunji pushed Eunsu in the cafeteria, and Mr. Brown said, "Don't push, don't push." And second, Minsu was running, and Mr. Brown said, "Be careful, please. Be careful, please." And in the third video, Gin and Swan was speaking loudly in the library, and Mr. Brown said, "Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please." So, what do you think today's key expression is? Don't push, be careful, be quiet, please, good job. I'll tell you today's key expression and you will repeat after me. Be careful of the rhythm and stress. First, don't push. Don't push. Second, be careful, please. Be careful, please. Third, be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. Good job. I think everyone knew today's key expression with rhythm and stress. Now let's move to the second activity. Here we go. The second activity is listen and speak. This time we're going to do a pair work. What work? Yes, a pair work. 2 students will get in 1 pair and there will be 10 pairs. Listen carefully to what we're going to do. First, one student will pick a situation in the textbook. Second, the student who picked will act what they have picked. Third, the other students will say the key expression. Did you understand? Then, what should you do after picking from the textbook? Right, you should act from what's in the situation. Then let's start. Everyone is doing a good job cooperating and helping each other. Look at me. Look at teacher. Can someone will show us what they picked and how they act? Okay, Swan and Minu come into the front and tell us. Swan picked the situation. There is X line on the door. And what is Swan doing? He is trying to enter enter. And Minu, what did you say? Don't enter. Good job. And next, Minu, what did you pick? Oh, pushing in the cafeteria. So Minu pushed. And Swan, what should you say? Don't push. Good job. Brilliant. Go back to your seats. Swan and Minu did a marvelous job in this activity. I think everyone's good at this activity. Now, let's move to the third activity. Here we go. 이상입니다. Please give me a moment to answer question number 1. Let me answer to question number 1. There are lots of ways to promote teamwork in English class. I will tell you 2 strategies. First, I will use a heterogeneous group. By doing this, students will get in a diverse level of students will get in one group. By doing this, students would help each other to achieve the goal. So they will cooperate and promote teamwork. Second, I will do a role play in English class. By doing this, students would get one student would get one act. One student will get one role, and by doing this, students should cooperate and help each other to promote their teamwork. Thank you for listening. Please give me a moment to answer question number 2. Let me answer to question number 2. There are lots of real-life materials to use in English class. I will tell you 2 examples of it to use in my English class. First, I will use a dialogue of my life. I use this in my demo lesson. By doing this, students would get much more interested and motivated in the class. Second, I could use English newspaper. By using this, students could promote themselves in English class much more motivated and feel much more relevant in real life. Thank you for listening.